here I am overlocking the body up the side seam. Trimming a little off each time. It makes everything nice and even that way. And it makes sure that I'm catching both layers. Just taking it easy through the side seam there. Through the seams on the underarm. So this hand here is to guide it through, and this hand here is to, so this one's sort of like making sure that I do the right side seam allowance, and this one here is to make sure I don't get a gathering of fabric through it. So whilst I'm here, I may as well overlock the bottom of the cuffs. And I'm pushing that seam towards the back, so that's why I checked to see where the pocket was. Because these cuffs don't have any ribs on them, they just have hem on them. So, I'm going to put the hood on now. I'm lining it up there at the centre back. And matching the shoulder seams. I'm going to tuck this all into the into the front neckline. Matching up the seams. Pushing that seam towards the back again, because that will match what I've done on the sleeve head. And then I put the crucial points on top of each other, so another notch again on top of the notch. They should be right on top of each other, so that's the centre front. Oh, that went right in. And then other shoulder. Now I can put a few more pins in between. And actually, luckily, this neckline works perfectly together by the looks. I've already tried it over my head to make sure that it's not too tight. Easier to do the adjustments while it's before it's all sewn up. Alright, we're good to go. Now I'm going to start at the centre back. 1.5 centimetre seam. Now make sure that that seam went towards the back, because I started at the back. Make sure that centre front is in the right place. And I'm at the other side seam now. And making sure that sits towards the back again. Now to overlock it. Quite a lot of fabric in some of these places, so if you're using a domestic overlocker, you might want to be a bit careful about when you go over these seams, especially if you've used the lining as the self fabric. And I've got like poly fleece or sweatshirting, that would be quite a few layers there going through those seams. So take your time so you don't break a needle.